better when you're dancing. Yeah, yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome to my teaching practice video. This video is titled English Learning on Recount Text at Tri Imogiri Junior High School. In this video, you will see the learning process in Class 9C with the topic of recount text. The students are guided to create a recount story based on personal experience or imagination in the form of a diorama or scrapbook, and then present their work in front of the class. The purpose of this video is to document the learning process and provide an overview of the teaching practice at Tri Imogiri Junior High School. Let's check it out, everyone!
And you got the moves. I don't know about you, but I feel better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. Better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. Oh, and we can do this together. I bet you feel better when you're dancing. Yeah, yeah.
Who is the leader?
Yeah,
Me?
go.
Please. Leaving your friends to take.
Set up. Everything.
Good morning, everyone. Alright, so now ini tanggal berapa? Okay, 16. Siapa yang 16? Alright, tidak. Please. Okay, so how are you today? How are you today? I am fine. How are you? Good. So I'm fine. So thank you. Today we will learn about recount text anymore. So last meeting we learned recount text, but in specific we learned apa last week? Learn apa? Ada yang tahu? Kemarin kita learn apa last week? Simple past tense. So do you know simple past tense itu tenses untuk apa? Tensesnya bagaimana? Kalau kita mau menceritakan cerita masa lalu, so we should use tenses simple past tense. Cerita masa lalu itu bukan berarti soal mantan, tapi cerita masa lalu itu banyak. It's like your trip experience and then fun experience, or even it's about your embarrassing experience. So we should use simple past tense untuk menuliskan sebuah cerita yang itu sifatnya masa lalu. Oke, masa lalu. So oh yeah, this forget about this. So who's absent today? Who's absent today? Do you know? Sakit? Okay, so next is today kita akan masuk kepada how to write and also how to present your project about recount text. So nanti kalian seperti next week instructionnya Miss adalah kalian harus membuat diorama atau scrapbook recount text secara berkelompok. Have you even prepare your elements to create your diorama? Sudah disiapkan kan bahan-bahannya? Alright, and now we have 3 learning objective of today. Please Teddy, read this manual. Students are able to write simple and then personal or imaginative according to the appropriate structure and linguistic features. Okay, so kalian yang learning objective number 1 itu diharapkan mampu menulis recount text sederhana, mau itu jenisnya personal or imajinasi berdasarkan struktur yang sudah ada, jadi strukturnya harus urut. But before we start, let's do ice breaking. So please want you to stand up again, and please Gani and also Nata, pimpin teman-teman kalian buat ice breaking ini. Yuk, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Baca nama. Si terkenal, bi, si, pip, ulang, de, bi, ai, you, MC, you and I, bi. Okay, class. Let's think about this. Have you ever shared your holiday experiences, funny incidents, or important experience with your friends? Pernahkah kamu saling share satu sama lain? Misalnya pengalaman kalian holiday, entah itu pengalaman yang menyenangkan atau pengalaman yang menyedihkan. Pernah belum sharing cerita kalian? Pernah? Okay. And then, misalnya lagi, how can you make your stories easier for others to understand? Gimana caranya kalian sharing ceritakan diri teman kalian supaya teman kalian itu merasa kok menarik nih ceritamu? Gimana cara kalian untuk cerita? Kalau kalian mencoba untuk menuliskan cerita kalian itu dalam bentuk yang kreatif seperti diorama atau scrapbook itu, apakah orang lain akan sangat tertarik dengan cerita teks yang kalian buat dengan kreatif itu? Oke, coba kita lihat di screen. Di sini ada 2 tabel. Yang pertama itu tabel features of recount, atau kita biasa sebut structure. Yang pertama ada title, recycle, judul. Yang kedua ada auxiliary action. Yang ketiga ada record of events atau events. Yang terakhir command atau reorientation. Ya, di sebelah right on your right atau di sebelah kanan ya, itu ada description atau bisa kita sebut definition of title, orientation, record of events, and event. Tapi descriptionnya ini belum
심심한 하루는 보내기 싫어. 요즘 어때 잘 지냈어? 음악이나 좀 들을까? 힘든 것들도 다 오늘은 잊어. Yeah.